This is Huang. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you a few tips that I have in terms of what you can do to take care of a scar. First, one of the most important things that I always talk about, everyone's scar is a little bit different. This is a burn scar, which is a little bit different than like if you had an incision type of scar, right? But regardless, a scar, I just want to help you at least get started if you're not really sure about what you're allowed to do. Once your incision or your wound is completely healed, one of the things that you can do is, scars are very dry, and one of the most important things to do is to massage them. First of all, because they're so dry, you want to moisturize them. There's two types of lotion. There's like the regular watery lotion, and it's water-based. Another type of lotion, doesn't have to be this brand or anything like that, but you want an oil-based type of lotion, and something that's thick, you know, and it's not watery. So all you have to do is put some cream on. So it's a cream versus a lotion. Or relax your hand, relax la mano. All right. So one of the things you want to do is you want to make sure that you are massaging, right? You're going to put, even if you don't spend ton of time on it, just by putting on a little bit of lotion or a little bit of cream, it's going to help to soften up that scar. And when you massage it, which is tip number 2, so first is you got to put some cream on it, okay, because it's dry. The second tip is you massage it. So don't put it on like, oh, you're just putting like regular cream. Of course that helps, but if you can be just a little bit more intentional, it's going to help you a ton. Now you're going to massage, and you want to put a certain amount of pressure, you know, not so hard you're going to cause so much pain and swelling, and you don't want to do it where it's just so soft you barely feel anything. Okay, so you want to put a certain amount of cream on it and massage with a firm touch. Okay, with a firm touch. And you see how I'm going in one direction, so I'm just going to show you this scar, right? So it's a little bit red. That's the way scars are looking. They're a little bit raised based on his injury, right? What you want to do is you massage, and you're going to go down. You can also go up, because our skin is like an organ. It moves in every which way. It doesn't matter if it's the back of the hand, if it's the palm of the hand. What you want to do is you want to be able to massage in all directions. Go in one direction, go in the other direction, and believe it or not, even to the sides. So let me just show you. If you go in one direction, you go in the other direction, and you can also go on one side, and you can also go on the other side. It's like the crisscrossing, right? The most important thing about a scar is the fibers of a scar, they're all really jumbled up. And it's through constant stress, over time it's going to lay down, it's going to sort of realign. So you're trying to help realign it, and through massage you're going to help. You know, I always say that scars sort of get stuck. Well, that's what you do when you massage it. So first is lotion or cream. Second is massaging in all types of direction. And the third most important tip is to move. Now, of course, depending on your injury, you have to know when and how you should be moving. This is an example of a hand that's allowed to move in every which way. And if you take a look at the back of the hand, if he goes and he makes a fist, it's going to stretch out the scar, it's going to stretch out the skin. And that's what you want, is through constant stress that the scar is going to soften and get unstuck. So motion is a lotion. So make sure you keep moving. Anytime it's across a joint, so this is a joint, this is a joint, anytime it's across a joint, then it's going to pull it and give it continuous stress to help unstick it and to help soften it and to help flatten it, okay? Now, you can also, when you move it, go ahead and move it, and you can even massage it while skin and all that is stretched. All right, so those are my top 3 tips. If you have a scar anywhere, it doesn't matter. I'm showing you an example of the hand. You can do it on the wrist, you can do it on the elbow, the shoulder, the knee, you know, anywhere where you have scar, at least try and do those 3 things, which is cream, massage in all directions, and Those are the key things. You're not really sure what to do. You're not really sure how much to press. You're not sure why you still have so much pain. You're not really sure why you can't move the way you need to move or want to move. Then give us a call here at Hands-On Therapy Services so we can help you get more clarity in terms of what's going on and help you get the help that you're looking for.